everybody, it's Holly from Visit Brainerd, and we are here today at Landsburg Nursery. It is just past the Halloween season, however, in here, it's looking pretty Christmassy. We're here to talk to you today about how you can love Brainerd like a local. I'm here with Shelly, who is kind of in charge of the joint a little bit.
Kind of.
Shelly's one of my favorite people here at Landsburg, although all the staff is pretty fantastic. But she's the one who takes care of these DIY workshops that they're working on for this holiday season. So we kind of wanted to touch base with you guys and let you know that this is happening here. There are lots of options, and I'm telling you, this looks a little like Santa's workshop in here, right?
It is.
With greens and festive things all over. We have berries and pine cones, and it's all cool stuff. So we're going to have Shelly talk to you a little bit about these upcoming workshops that are starting. When are they starting?
The first with Marin from Frugal Farmhouse. Those events are going to start November 12th, and there's a ton of dates. So,
So for you that are interested in participating in these workshops, we strongly just recommend going on to Landsburg's website. There's a bunch of links that list the dates and the times and the projects. They're kind of grouped together. So like one particular date has maybe 3 projects that you can choose from. And then of course the prices vary as well, so go check that out. But Shelly's going to show us a little bit about what these projects look like and how they get assembled.
So 2 of the projects I have prototypes here today. The Joy sign, which was extremely popular last year. So you're going to come here to our workshop, and Marin's going to help you create the board, paint the board and all that. This is a silk version, but you're actually going to make a fresh version, something similar to this, but we're going to foo-foo it up and make it super cute.
So that's cool. You start with this, you end with this.
Yep. So
I mean,
put that back on. So you'll have a fresh wreath. The O is the O in Joy. Super cute. These were very popular last year. You can do different colors with Marin, and you'll specify that on Marin's website if you want Joy, and if you want red or black or green letters or whatever, you'll specify that all with Marin. The fresh part, we will help you with that. Black and red plaid is super in, super popular. I mean,
that is it.
Buffalo, everything, which is fine.
How long does the class take?
Depending on your project and how much chit chat there is, because there tends to be a lot of chit chat in the workshop. I would plan on 2 hours.
2 hours.
Yeah.
So as I was on their website, I was looking at the projects that they're offering here. I was kind of thinking, cool gifts, but then I was also thinking, I don't want to give them away.
We hear that a lot.
I bet you do.
We hear that a lot.
I love how these can be personalized.
Yep. So this one has my last name. Maren made this one. It has Bozer. I think you have 3 choices on the website. Your emblem. Monogram? What is this?
Yeah,
monogram. Okay.
Sure. We'll call it that.
And I think there's 3 choices. I think one is welcome and something else. But again, you're going to do the crafty part here with Marin, and then this will be a fresh version, a fresh swag that you can accent with berries and cones and whatever ribbon you choose. So I'm with you. I would want to do 2, one for a gift and one to keep. I mean, that's kind of how it works at my house too. So yeah.
So I feel like when you maybe think that you can't possibly do these cute things, you really can, because these guys are great at talking you through the process and making it look pretty great by the time you leave. You're probably not going to want to give it away, but that's your call. Totally your call.
Probably not.
So again, we just want you to go to the website, check out the dates, check out the times that work for you, and these kind of go afternoon and in the evening, so really you should be able to accommodate your schedule fairly easy. Make sure you get signed up as soon as you can. I believe they fill up.
They do.
And you guys are working out here in the greenhouse, correct?
Yep, you'll be
or the sun. We call it the sunroom.
Yep. You'll be here in the sunroom. Craft stations are all set up. Glue guns, all that stuff is here provided. There's plenty of room for social distancing. We have hand sanitizer everywhere, so come here. Vitamin D, lots of vitamin D in the sunroom.
We're in t-shirts.
We're in t-shirts.
It's pretty great.
Yeah. If we weren't doing this, we'd have the vents open because it actually is warm in here.
Yeah, it's awesome.
Yeah.
Okay, so there you go, you guys. Holidays are coming up. Make sure you check out Landsburg for these DIY workshops, and we will see you soon. Thanks so much.
Thank you.